Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team out here on day one in Raytown, Missouri. So this is just a quick little pier project. These are both King Pier IIs. Should be a quick project to get finished up just in a few days. But you can see on this front corner, got a lot of cracking going on. And then moving towards the middle where pier number 2 is going, you can see a pretty significant cracking on the wall here. So we're simply just gonna dig our holes. These are King Pier II, so we go 13 inches below the footing. And then we get our pier installed, encase it in high strength concrete. Once the footing is raised back to its correct level elevation, backfill, and that will be it. We're gonna throw in a little extra, just doing the any kind of cracks in the foundation. We'll get those sealed up. We did see one little spot where the wall and the floor meet inside the basement. We're gonna seal that with polyurethane once everything is finished. But that's pretty much it for today, so stay tuned. You can find more updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.